Hello friend, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make mouse move effect using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first I'll create two divs. I'll name one W and the other W2. Hashtag W background color black, width 5 SVW, height 90 SVH, 140 SVH, position absolute, and now move it down a bit, the setting top to 20 pixels, 50. So the border radius 20 pixels, and now you can start with the JavaScript. W equals to documents.get elements by ID. W2 document.get by ID. W2 document dot on mouse move is equal to E. W dot animate duration 1000 500 and fill equals forwards. Now for this I'm going to use translate to an e.client x px and 0. I'm gonna rotate e.movement x px. Hey, it's meant to be degrees, deg. Now for W2, I'm going to give W2 the same styling, hashtag W2. Background color black, width 5 SVW, height 140 SVH, border radius 20 pixels, position absolute top 50 pixels, and now for W2 I'm going to write W2 dot animate duration is equal to 3000 and fill is equal to forwards. Translate e.client x px 0,0, rotate 360. No, e.movement x degrees. Yikes, I meant to put brackets. This thing's opacity to 0.5. Maybe I'll set this to 2000 instead. Can even unmiss opacity. As we've done this, what you can do is that you can set the background color. Basically, this background linear gradient white, comma black, 15%, 10%. Yikes! What has happened? Now it looks like it disappeared. Now I guess at the body, the background color to gray. This is actually in front of it, so I'll set z index to be -1. Always be behind. And then I'll set the background color, the background to linear gradient white, 15%, then black 10%. So anyways, that's the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel ObaCode. Bye.